My name is Leanne Alexander, and I'm the Deputy Project Manager for Warfighter Expeditionary Medicine and Treatment Project Management Office at the U.S. Army Medical Material Development Activity here at MRDC. Our team is called the MRDC Additive Manufacturing Working Group, and what we're able to do is mobilize a whole bunch of assets across the DoD who, in their everyday jobs, produce products but not medical ones. So together with our different expertise and their machinery and equipment, we're able to produce medical products that are currently in short supply during the COVID-19 public health emergency.
I think the most satisfying part of all the heavy lifting we've been doing is actually knowing, getting the feedback on the patient. And so that's so much more satisfying because we actually feel like we've had a hand in treating these patients. It's just teamwork, and I couldn't ask for a better team. If I could do more for these guys, I would. They're just amazing.